number 3, Aiden's spaceship, from over else down towards Town Hall. Friday night, bonfire night. Well, there's one behind us as well. Wait till it reaches the tree.
There are 5 or 6. One of which
there's a tree. Come back to the next one behind it.
The rest are all alien spacecraft, fiery orange spheres.
Zoom in on that one. Alien spaceship number 3, 4.
This is just after 7 PM. Bonfire night.
Something like that. Extremely bright. It's on the Samsung. Pan back and you can see both of them.
So they're about 300 or 400 yards away there, maybe 600 or 700 yards.
Nothing on there. Front one.
Going northeast.
Following the one I filmed at the corner of the market. Same direction. Some fun with the caging now. It must be a mile and a quarter away. If not more. Number 5, alien spaceship, a bit further to the north this time, back of Market Street. One right above me. One right above me. That's 6. Just across the Market Street, heading in the same direction as the first 5. Fucking hell. That's very bright, that one. Steady myself against the lamp post.
Five or 6 fiery orange spheres. One of them is a Chinese lantern. Which one?
Forward again as it goes further on.
Going northeast.
Far side of Earlstown.
Over Earlstown.
Friday night, bonfire night. still visible. Must be about 2 miles away now. Switch off at that. There's the one behind it, lower down. Too dim now, so I'll switch off.